today's video is part of our series of basic editing skills that you need to know, which is actually a blog post that you can find down below. But today's video is all about the J and L cut. The L cut, for example, this is your picture and this is your audio. So the audio is the audio of this picture and it is continuing on here to the next shot. So for example, I could be continuing on a bit of conversation where I'm just sort of talking a whole load of words. And then you can see me picking up that piece later on where actually the audio was still going there and you could see my next shot. The J cut is where the audio for the following shot starts before you see that shot. So it's like it's leading you into the next shot. So here is the shot first, you hear the audio for the shot that's coming up next. So for example, you could be hearing in this shot a train passing by, and then the next shot is that train. The reason that these two shots are really useful in editing is that they are very helpful for things like conversation. If you're having a conversation between two people that you are editing together, you will want to have a shot of someone who is talking at someone else, and then you will want that reaction shot of that person that's being spoken to when they're not talking, and you're still hearing the audio from that first shot of that person who is talking to the second person. Hopefully that all makes sense right there. In having these bits of audio coming before or after the next shot, you are keeping the edit flowing, you are keeping the interest of the viewer, and you are rolling it on and forward, and so you're keeping them entertained. The whole point of the edit is so that it is seamless, so that it is natural, unless you're creating something that is purposefully jarring, something that's an artistic edit, for example, some form of creative edit that maybe includes jump cuts. But if, for example, you're just editing a drama with a couple people talking to each other, then you will likely want to be editing with some J and L cuts involved. J and L cuts, for example, could be used if you are talking about an area such as the outside world, and then it's going to bring in some birdsong before you actually see the bird, and then you get a lovely shot of that bird in the garden that you were just talking about. Those kinds of examples are J and L cuts. If you would like to know more basic editing skills that we believe that you should get to know, please follow the blog that's in the description below and have a look through.